Hi, this is Aneida and I'm back, and I just wanted to show you how the lamp turned out. Um, the paint was fantastic, and I must say, considering the day that we had, which was very cloudy, wet and humid, this truly came out really nice. No drips, exactly what it says here. It says no drips, no drips, no runs. Truly, truly, I mean, a great product. I'm not endorsing them. I don't work for them, and they don't pay me. But this is the first time I've used this product, and I truly, truly must say that I will be using it again in the future if I have another project to do. However, the pen that I was gonna use to do the gold edging, which was this pen right here. Now, I have used this pen in the past with other projects, and it has worked. For some reason, it didn't work this time. I don't know if it's because the color, yeah, I mean, it is a light color. It just really didn't come out. I tried to let it dry, and it didn't really show. So I decided just to go ahead and spray the area that I tried to paint, and I decided to just leave it as is without doing any gold trimming on it. I mean, I could have easily bought another paint that has also worked in the past for me, but I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. And this is where it's gonna go, and as you can see, that's what we have there temporarily. I also wanted to show you the glass that goes in here. Also, before I go on, I wanted to show you, this is one, and this is what it looks like. I did these couplings to cover this before I painted it, so I'm gonna be taking them off. But this is the glass that goes here, and this is how my husband found it. I of course washed it and cleaned it, but unfortunately unable to remove these scratches and the rust. I've tried just about everything that was recommended to me, and it just didn't work. But I don't think this is gonna be seen, being that the cup is gonna be situated in the socket in here this way. So I don't think, and I hope that it doesn't show. And if it does, well, I don't know. I'll see if maybe somebody on here could recommend something for me to do. But I tried even mineral oil. Someone told me to do that. It didn't work. I tried this other oil that removes rust. It didn't work. It did clean it because they were really dirty. It did clean it, but the scratches looks like they're there permanently. And unfortunately, because this is that tinted glass, I'm afraid that if I put any heavy abrasive on it, that I may scratch it and make it worse. So I just didn't want to do that. So I left it as is. I mean, I did clean them very well with soap and water and oil. I did everything I needed to do, but those scratches never came out. So they all have scratches. But So we'll see. We'll see. I think it's going to be okay. If not, I'll come up with some sort of idea on how to cover it. But I just wanted to show you that the color is beautiful. I just love it. It's going to look great with my dining set. And again, I'm not, this is a great pen. Unfortunately, it didn't work this time around. Hopefully in the future, I'll have another project where I could show you. And I just want to apologize for all the mess and the bad lighting. Hopefully, I'll have a better work area with better lighting on my next future projects. So please stay connected with me, subscribe, press like if you like, and if you don't, it's okay. I understand that too. But I hope you like my little project here. And for a find in the street to this, I don't think it's bad. And I will show you the results after my husband puts up the lamp, which I think he's gonna do tomorrow, sometime this week. So stay tuned.